Hello, I'm Mackenzie Nix, Sex Abuse Prevention Consultant with the Risk Management Department, here to talk about best practices for electronic communication with minors. First, always use district-approved methods for communicating with minors, such as district email, Remind 101, Parent Square, and others. These platforms ensure your district has access to historical records. Never use your personal cell phone to communicate with minors. If you do, your device could become discoverable in future legal proceedings. Protect yourself by keeping your personal number private and never sharing it with minors. If a minor associated with your district does get a hold of your personal cell phone number, report it to your supervisor. Communicate only at reasonable hours and stick to district-related topics. Late night or off-topic conversations can appear inappropriate and may raise concerns. When reporting or photographing minors, always follow district policy. Use only district-owned devices and make sure images are appropriate and not revealing or suggestive. Ensure your building administrator or supervisor has administrative rights and access to all district-related social media accounts. Avoid using your personal social media to follow or friend minors associated with your district. This helps maintain professional boundaries and protects your privacy. If a minor in crisis contacts you outside of normal business hours, help them, and then notify your supervisor and, if applicable, the school counselor about the incident. By following these best practices for electronic communication with minors, you help create a safe, professional environment for both minors and staff. If you have any questions about mandatory reporting of child abuse or need further guidance, please reach out to the Risk Management Department.